If there's global warming, why is it so cold outside? It's cold everywhere right now. And you need to warn your buyers not to crack up. I literally do exactly that. I say, don't crack up. I tell my buyers that, some of my buyers. And the reason is, anytime that china or fragile glass, maybe just any glass or ceramic, but I don't take a chance. I put a label on every wrapped item that they unbox, but they'll see that label right on top, and it says the following. It's cold outside, don't crack up. See, I told you, I said that to them. Please let your glassware warm to room temperature before you wash it in warm water. Cracks could occur otherwise. Thanks. This is true. This is something that you need to let your buyers know on ultra cold days, weeks. And so that way they don't bring it in, open it, and want to use it right away and wash it in warm water and it cracks. That's very possible, not probable. It's possible, and it does happen enough to worry about it. So I just printed off on a bunch of F&SKU labels. You all can do the same. Most of you are no longer using F&SKU labels to lose money on Amazon. So you're here where the water's much greater than the Amazonian River, much healthier for us, much less stress, and much more money for most of us. And so you can use those old F&SKU labels that you don't know what to do with, and just print several of these. And anytime you sell china, glassware, ceramics, put that label in there on top of where the item, maybe definitely where they'll see it. Put it on top, inside the box, but on the item itself, above the bubble wrap, but where they will see it when they open the box, so that you're warning them that they need to be careful and not wash that in warm water right away unless it gets to room temperature. It'll be fine if they do that.